All right, guys. So we're going to get into market orders. So market orders are based on whenever price gets to a certain level, you put in a market order before time, and then it can automatically put you in a trade without doing it by market execution. So market execution is when you see price at a current level, and on your MetaTrader 4 app, you just press buy or sell. But in this case, we're not doing that. We're waiting for price to get to a certain level, and we're either executing a buy stop, sell limit, or buy limit. So let's start with buy stop. So buy stop. So pretty much, buy stop is like an order placed above the current market price, like as it's rising. So whenever you do a buy stop, it's like, let's say this little black line right here is where you want your buy stop to happen. So buy stop is a continuation. So a buy stop is not saying that price is going to stop, you know what I'm saying, at that current level or whatnot from entering a trade. It's just more so based off of saying that at a buy stop, once price gets to that certain key level, price is going to put you in for a buy for a continuation to the upside. So let's say like on a break or something, like you got if price breaks new highs, you can put a buy stop in, so price can automatically put you in soon as that high is broken for a continuation of an uptrend, which is a buy stop. A sell stop is pretty much the same thing but opposite. So what it is like an order placed at the current price when price is going in a downtrend. So in this case, price was pretty much selling to your key level. So your key level, this is your sell stop. So you're pretty much waiting for like maybe a break or something like that, or a high to be broken. So let's say like this key level right here was a break in the market. So once price breaks that particular key level, it's going to put you in for a sell. So it's not going to stop it from selling. It's just going to you're gonna get in for a sell as a continuation of a trend that happens. So that's what a sell stop is. You just enter in the numbers. So let's say like the numbers is like 1900 or something like that. You'll put 1900 sell stop. Once price get to 1900, boom, you'll be in the sell for a continuation of price to keep going down in the sell. So that's buy stop and sell stop. Now we have sell limit and buy limit. So as y'all know, I trade a lot of mitigation, smart money trading. So you will see that in the course as well, smart money. So when you trade smart money, we're looking for pending orders. So these are the same thing as market orders, pending orders, same thing. So a sell limit, as you can see, it's the opposite. So we're looking for price to get to that key level, and we're looking to sell it at that key level instead of actually buying it from that key level as correlation to a buy stop. So what this is like orders placed at the current price, whatever you want to have it at, 1900, 2000, whatever, just in the market, whatever you see best fit, or that sell limit you want to put it at. You place it in your iPhone or your MetaTrader 4 app or whatnot, and then when price gets to that key level, which is like right up in here, boom, it's gonna hit it, and then it's gonna reverse because you're wanting it to reverse off your sell limit. So you put a sell limit at a place where you want price. Price is going to be in the continuation, which is and then it's going to do the opposite. It's going to sell down. So as you see, your price was buying up to that actual key level, and then price retraced all the way back down. So that's a sell limit. Now, buy limit is the same thing as a sell limit, but it's the opposite. So let's say price is selling down to that key level, which is that support or whatever, and you want to buy it up as soon as you get to that key level. You'll put in a buy limit, which is a market order as well. So once price gets to that key level, you'll buy it up. So you just put it in the market, and then you buy it up, and then you make money. So that's how you do buy limit, buy stop, sell stop. I'm going to show y'all real quick how to do it on your phone. All right, guys. So now I'm on my phone. So now I'm going to show y'all how to actually put this buy stop and sell stop in currently. So when you do buy stop and sell stop, for instance, like let's go to like maybe a higher time frame, maybe like the 1 hour, or we can go to like the daily, for instance. So let's say like I want price. First, I'm going to go over a sell limit. So a sell limit. So whenever you put in a sell limit, you know what I'm saying, whenever you mark up your chart or whatnot, you can say, let's put like a little line right here. So we could just put like a little line. We'll go to our little shapes, and then we'll click on add object. So I clicked on the horizontal line. So at 1.53416, I'm looking for price to actually buy up to this key level. I'm looking for price to buy up to this key level. So let me show y'all, for example.
This is a sell limit. So I want price to hit here to this key level, and then I want price to actually sell back down. This is just an example of how you put it in. So, and I'll show y'all why we do sell stops and sell limits whenever you get to the smart money context. So, once price get to 1.53416, we're looking for a sell limit. So we have to go put this number in. So what we'll do is we'll click on trade. And then at the top where it says market execution, we're not doing market execution. Market execution is when you just click sell or buy at where price is currently at. So you see on the sell side, price is at 1.420. And then on the buy side, the spread is 1.4923. So in this case, we're not buying price at that current level. We're buying price at the level I just showed y'all. So we'll click sell limit. And then we'll just go back to our chart real quick just to see. So we got 53416. So we'll put in at price, we'll put 53416. So 1.53416. So then you'll put your fixed order lot size. So you know your lot size or whatever you want to put. For your lot size, you can do $1 or you could do 10 cents or whatever, you know what I'm saying? 10 cents or 0.01, whatever. But in this case, this is just an example. So I'm just going to place it. So once you place it, it says pretty much it's successful. So if we was to move this line, this red line, you will be able to see our actual sell limit. So let's move this. So you see that little green dotted line says sell limit. So when price gets to that current level, we're looking for price to pretty much hit here. And then boom, looking for price to actually sell back down from that key level. So that's what we call a sell limit. So that's how you do sell limit. Now let's do, so we could easily delete this. So let's just delete it for a second. All right, boom. So we're gonna go back to our chart. And now we're going to do a buy limit. So a buy limit is pretty much like this. So let's say, right here, let's say like price comes to this little broken level of pretty much resistance. So in this case, so let's say price comes down here to our key level, which is, as you can see right at the bottom, 0.47199. So here I'm looking for price to actually do the opposite. So I want price to hit here, price to sell down to that level. And then once price hits that level, it's going to put me in for a buy limit. And then I'm pretty much expecting for price to hit that key level and then buy up. So that's the difference between a buy limit. So what it is, you do the same thing. So this is 47199. So we'll do a buy limit. So we'll do 47199. I think that's right. All right, cool. 47199. All right, cool. So if we actually zoom out, you can see that we have a buy limit. So the buy limit is right there. So what will happen is that price will sell down, like I just said, it's going to hit your buy limit, and then it's going to bounce up. That's just based off of market analysis or whatnot. You'll see why you will put in a buy limit and sell limit. So yeah, that's how you do buy limits. Now let's get into pretty much the continuation of a buy stop. So a buy stop is like this. So let's say we put a buy stop at these highs up here, way up here at these wicks. So we want price to either, I'm gonna go to the weekly and just show y'all a little bit better. All right, so we want price to pretty much hit. We want price to hit, you know what I'm saying, right here. So we want price to actually buy up, you know what I'm saying, hit, and then we want it to continue. We want price to continue past our actual buy stop. So like I showed y'all before, price is going to hit it. Once it hit that line, boom, it's going to keep going. So you're going to be in a buy. So that's how you do a buy stop. So usually buy stops, you put them at the last highs, and then once price break those highs, you're already in there buy, and you in it early, and you making money. So that's what a buy stop is. So buy stop, you do the same thing. So let's say these numbers are 57824. So what we do is go to trade, and then we'll put in a buy stop. So I think we said 57824. If I'm not mistaken. Let's see how right I am. All right, cool. Yeah. So we have a buy stop. So as y'all can see, it says buy stop. So once price gets to that level, and it breaks that level, we're gonna be put in for a buy. So it's a continuation. So instead of buy limit, sell limit, you know what I'm saying? It's a continuation of a buy. That's how you do buy stop. For sell stop, let me show y'all sell stop. Sell stop, let's say like right here. So this would have been like a sell stop. So over here to my right, you know what I'm saying? This was pretty much like a major level of support or whatnot. So what we want for price to do is to, like, it already did it. The move already happened. We want price, you know what I'm saying, to sell and keep going. And we want to get in this sale once it break, you know what I'm saying? Once it break this little support level right here to my left. So like right here in this little area, this is like a major support. And then price bought up. So over here to my right, price acted as support, you know what I'm saying? Like right here, it wicked it, it touched the wicks, and then, you know what I'm saying, it eventually broke. So this is why we put in a buy stop, a sell stop, because we want the continuation pattern to keep going. So in this case, you'll put 52163. So you'll go to sell stop, and then you'll put in 52163. Hold on, I think that's the wrong number. 52163. Yeah. So sell stop at 52163. All right. So yeah, you'll just click place or whatnot, and then your sell stop will be in the same way you put in your actual buy limit, sell stop or whatnot. And that's how you pretty much enter them in on your MetaTrader 4. And then once you come to like your trade area, you'll be able to see your buy stop and buy limits. And these are your actual market orders in the market.